Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Grinch Books is probably one of the most iconic and beloved holiday characters, and what better way to bring the Grinch's mischievous charm into your home than with a collection of delightful books perfect for young readers, offering a wonderful opportunity to share the magic of Dr. Seuss's timeless tale and its heartwarming message of kindness and the true spirit of Christmas with your children, making storytime a cherished tradition during the festive season. Number 5. The Big Book of Silly Jokes for Kids. Prepare for endless laughter with this hilarious collection. It's packed with jokes guaranteed to make kids roar with delight. Open up a world of amusement and fun. This book is your ticket to becoming the funniest person in the room. Master the art of the punchline. You'll be armed with the best jokes to share with friends and family. Designed specifically for kids, these jokes are easy to understand and even easier to tell. Get ready for giggles galore. Keep the fun going with a huge variety of jokes. It's the perfect companion for car rides, parties, or any time you need a good laugh. This is the only joke book you'll ever need. It's filled with silly, fun, and kid-approved humor for everyone to enjoy. What we like? This book is packed with jokes that will have your kids rolling with laughter. It's perfect for little ones who love to giggle and share a good chuckle. If you're looking for a way to entertain your children during car rides or quiet afternoons, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. She loved reading the jokes to us. We all laughed and had a great time. It is a good tool for bonding with young readers. As a former teacher for 4th and 2nd graders, I feel this book would be good for classroom use or as a gift for your kids' grandkids. Very good quality. My daughter doesn't like to read, so I got her this and it is a great motivation. She read the whole day jokes to me out loud, good jokes too. Number 4. How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Classic Seuss. Experience the magic of a classic story that has brought joy to generations. It's a tale that reminds us of the true spirit of the season. Discover the story of a grumpy creature with a heart 2 sizes too small. You'll see how even the grumpiest among us can learn the meaning of Christmas. Journey to the whimsical land of Whoville, where Christmas is celebrated with unparalleled enthusiasm. See how their festive spirit is tested. Witness a remarkable transformation as a certain green character learns the true meaning of Christmas. It's a heartwarming journey of redemption and joy. This beloved classic is the perfect addition to your holiday traditions. Share the laughter and lessons with your loved ones this festive season. Enjoy the unparalleled creativity and rhyme of Dr. Seuss in this iconic story. It's a masterpiece that continues to enchant readers of all ages. What we like? Experience the magic of a beloved holiday story that has captured hearts for generations. Its iconic rhyming text and heartwarming message make it a must-have for any family's Christmas tradition. If you want to introduce your children to a timeless classic with a powerful lesson about kindness, this is the one. What people say. The whimsical storytelling of Dr. Seuss never gets old, and the illustrations are so vibrant and fun. The Grinch's transformation from a grumpy, green creature to a warm-hearted individual is such a heartwarming story about kindness and the true meaning of Christmas. Told as classic Seuss fashion, completely in rhymes, this book appeals to kids year-round. The fanciful illustrations, also classic Seuss, are just as engaging as this story. Number 3. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Little Golden Book. Discover the beloved tale of Rudolph, the reindeer with a nose so bright. It's a story that has warmed hearts for generations. Follow the journey of a unique reindeer who felt he didn't fit in. His special gift, however, would soon save the day. See how Rudolph's glowing nose, once a source of shame, becomes a beacon of hope. It's a powerful lesson in embracing what makes you different. Join Rudolph as he leads the way, making Christmas Eve magical for everyone. His courage and light bring joy to the world. This cherished edition brings the classic story to life with beautiful illustrations. It's a perfect addition to any child's library. Share this timeless adventure with your loved ones. It's a wonderful way to create new holiday memories. What we like? Follow the journey of a reindeer with a unique gift who learns to embrace his differences. This charming tale is beautifully illustrated and has become a holiday staple. If your child loves stories about friendship and self-acceptance, especially during the festive season, this little book is a perfect fit. What people say. Quality was great, colors were perfect, and granddaughter had nothing but smiles. Oldie but timeless, this little golden book couldn't have come at a better time for our grandson. The vividly colored pictures make it a lovely, read-to-me, children's book. Number 2. I Am Max, Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Get ready to meet Max, the lovable dog from a classic tale. He's loyal, he's furry, and he's about to embark on an unforgettable adventure. This story is inspired by the beloved Dr. Seuss classic, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. It brings the magic of Whoville right to your fingertips. This book is part of the I Am Bored book series, perfect for little ones. It's designed to be durable and engaging for young readers. Join Max as he navigates the challenges and joys of his world. His perspective offers a unique look at the events unfolding around him. Experience the charm and wit of Dr. Seuss in this delightful adaptation. It's a perfect addition to any child's library, offering fun and learning. This board book is ideal for toddlers and preschoolers. Its sturdy pages and engaging story will capture their attention and imagination. What we like. This board book offers a simple yet engaging introduction to a familiar character. Its sturdy pages and bold visuals are designed for little hands and developing minds. If you have a very young child who is just starting to explore books and enjoys characters from popular stories, this is an excellent option for early reading. What people say. This book is a great way to introduce children to the classic story of the Grinch. The illustrations are colorful and engaging, making it a joy for young readers. The rhyming text is fun and easy to follow, perfect for bedtime stories. Number 1. Cooking with the Grinch. Get ready to bring some Grinchy fun into your kitchen. This book is perfect for young readers who love a touch of mischief. Discover how even the Grinch can learn the joy of sharing, especially when it comes to delicious treats. It's a heartwarming tale with a culinary adventure. Designed for early readers, this book makes learning to read an exciting experience. The simple text and engaging story will keep them turning pages. Join the Grinch as he attempts to steal Christmas, but finds himself drawn into the spirit of the season through food. You might even find some inspiration for your own holiday baking. This beloved Dr. Seuss classic gets a fun new spin. It's a delightful way to introduce children to the magic of reading and the joy of cooking together. Whether they're helping in the kitchen or reading on their own, this book offers a delightful experience. It's a wonderful addition to any child's bookshelf. What we like. Get ready for some kitchen fun with recipes inspired by a certain green character. These easy-to-follow instructions make cooking an adventure for young chefs. If your family enjoys themed activities and wants to try some playful, kid-friendly recipes together, this book will bring a touch of Grinchy delight to your mealtime. What people say. My son loves the Grinch, and this was just the right amount of reading for him and to hold his attention. We love the traditional Dr. Seuss illustrations as well. Cute little holiday Grinch story that she loves to read to me over and over again. Great book to keep the beginner reader reading and engaged. It is a good option for children, and also adults who are beginners in the process of learning English, to practice their reading in English. It has colorful illustrations and is fun, of course, oriented for children, but I enjoyed it just the same. Recommended purchase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.